Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing car vacuum cleaner. This is from Bergmann. So the model number is BAV60. This is the box, and this can be used dual purpose wet and dry. So most of the Maruti car owners are aware of this model because this is given in the basic accessory kit when you are buying Baleno or Ciaz or Swift also, and they charge it as 1000 rupees, and even in Amazon and Flipkart this is available for 1000, and in few sites it is available for 800 also. So on the box what I have is the contents and the instruction given here that it has to be used only with the cigarette lighter socket in the car, and engine should be running while you are using this, so never use it on battery. It has to be uh, on. Engine should be on while you're using this, and so 1 year warranty also they have given, and you can see this MRP is 990, and I got this for 390 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, just 390 rupees from local store. All the websites Amazon, Flipkart are selling this for 1000, nearly 1000 rupees, but I got this only for 390 rupees. Okay, so when we open the box, so this is the full set. So what we have is the description and general instruction and the warranty card, and instruction how to replace the fuse in case fuse goes off, and they have given the extra fuse also. And these are the two attachments with the brush, and this is nozzle type attachment. So this vacuum cleaner, this is the on off switches there, and this is lengthy cable, and this goes to cigarette charging port, and when the dust is collected this is the button to just press this, and this will open, and by opening this you can clean the cartridge. Thank you for watching viewers. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll get an alert whenever I'm adding the new videos. I will make another video to show you the performance of this product. Keep watching. Thank you.